It's mail call day, so let's get this started. I am very curious to open this one, especially because it's a kind of bar that I haven't bought before, also from a brand that I haven't bought before from. So I'm very excited to see if it is really as beautiful as I had thought it would be, although all silver is beautiful, but still. Okay, let's get through this really quickly. I might stop this video over here just to make sure that I open this quickly and efficiently. So see you in a bit. And finally we have opened the packaging, and here it comes. It's a 100-gram silver casted bar, which I'm very excited about. I've seen some of these online, but I haven't possessed one myself. So, although I like the shiny mirrory finish, but yet, oh man, this is so cute. Just look at this. It's 100 grams and it's really tiny and it feels solid in the hand. This is probably the only silver bar that I'm actually opening up. I usually keep mine back in plastic. Let's remove all this. I am in love. This is so cool. So it's a little rough at the back, but it doesn't matter. It's a silver casted bar from this brand called Gujarat Gold Center, and here is the assayer information. Fine silver 999. It is really tiny and it's very cute. I think it's really good for stacking, because usually the 100-gram bars that come, they're like that much in size because they're really flattened out. But this, I just might be in love. Tell me guys, what do you think? Keep stacking no matter the price. Keep stacking. Also, I just want to keep one little thought in front of your minds, and which is that I personally am not stacking silver just to profit from it, because honestly to tell you, for as long as it is possible, I'm not even going to try and sell any of my silver. I just plan to keep stacking it, because this silver and gold preserves your monetary value, your cash or the savings account that you have in your bank. It I don't know, I mean, apart from your daily expenditures and things that you plan to spend your money on, it doesn't make much sense to just keep your cash idle like that. So this will preserve the value of your money. So that's what it is for me. I'm not really expecting profit, although I mean, if it goes up, it's all well and good, but I'm going to keep buying at all levels. And yeah, so that's a thought. Let me know what you guys think, and as I said before, keep stacking. Keep stacking. This is God's money.